What's going on, everybody? It's Sam back with another video. So today I finally get a chance to put on my Wilwoods, the front small brake kit, and then we're probably gonna work on my rear Brembos. We're not gonna get it powder coated, but I'm gonna probably just get it ready for powder coating. So we're gonna take mine. Well, actually no, I'm gonna take my brother's rear Brembos. We're gonna get that one prepped up for I'm gonna take it to the shop, and then I'm gonna get it soda blasted, prep it for everything, and then that way I could leave mine on for now. Once all my rotors and brake pads come in, I'm gonna swap his. I'm either gonna powder coat it or paint it. We don't know yet, but I'm probably just gonna, once it's done, I'm gonna take mine off, and then I'm gonna get this set up for powder coating. And then we're gonna do the same thing, so that way there's no wait time, you know, so I could get this car going. So once I get my brother's set all cleaned up, I'm gonna work on his. And basically we're just gonna put the front Wilwoods on. Right now it looks pretty dumb without the calipers. It looks like Jesse from Fast and the Furious. But yeah, we kind of cleaned the backyard a little bit. Gotta get all this out the way still, but yeah, it looks a lot better. This is my brother's BMW. It's his little drift car, I guess. That's what he says. But yeah, it's a lot cleaner back here. So we could actually work on cars now. But yeah, the homie Kachil is getting on his way over here. So let's just get everything set up. That way when he gets here, he can just help me with everything. Alright, so after taking the wheels off, I forgot that I needed the Allen keys. So my brother's gonna bring the Allen keys from work or his shop, and we could put these on. And then these stainless steel ones just replace this rubber piece right here. This one right here. So yeah. And then we got a special line, I think it's a line wrench that he calls it. So we could take that off. You don't want to strip that one, otherwise you're screwed. Boy Kachil is here. Say what up. What are we doing?
First, we're gonna change these studs right here. Get some longer ones in there. Then, gotta find some tool for this shit.
Oh shit, careful, don't fuck up the fucking shit.
Then we're gonna fuck this up. So we're gonna hammer this bitch like this.
Yeah, so while we're waiting for my brother to get here, I'm gonna just put the new studs on. Like I said last time. Just hammer this on. You wanna show him? Just hammer this one. Yeah. Pops out.
Maybe Sam would have turned it. Would have been out.
Turn. Oh wow. So you turn this. And it pops out.
Just keep doing that.
Got blurry. Come on. Focus. Focus. There you go. So then after this,
Right after this, we're gonna put these fuckers on. Now.
There you go. Alright. So you put the new one on. You pretty much just put it in.
Gotta put some like super glue or something for it to hold.
I can just get what I do is I just we don't have a spacer. Fuck. Hold on, I'll be back.
Alright, and we're back.
So I don't have a spacer. I have one at work, but this will do for now. Just put this in here. And put the lug nut. Get your impact. You don't want to like just impact it on. You want to go on slowly once it grips, and then you just. And there's your new stud. On like it's new. There we go. That's one on. Now we gotta do that to the rest of the four. Just like that, it's done. So now we test it to see if these fit. And it doesn't fit. No, it fits. And that's that. You put your new wheel on. So this is good for people that run spacers. That way it gives you more thread, because when you put a spacer on, it'll probably, plus the wheel will probably stick out to like out here. Now with the stock one, let's see, it would be out there. So with this on, with that on, plus the spacer, or plus the wheel, plus the spacer, you're probably gonna only have like that much thread, and that's not enough to hold the wheel, at least for my taste. All right, let's go on the other side. Finish that side up. Hey, what's up? So it's now Monday. Unfortunately, my brother deleted a lot of the footage yesterday, so I couldn't get the video out, and a lot of it is gone. So let me update you on what happened. So I ended up getting the studs on, bled the brakes, put the caliper on for the front at least. The rear, I haven't taken it apart yet, so we still have my old one. I ended up going to a meet yesterday, so we actually drove the car. It drives really good, and I really like how the tires feel. So here's my brother's Brembos, the rare Brembos. I'm gonna take it apart probably tomorrow on the next video. So we're just gonna go ahead and clean it up, soda blast it. I might not powder coat it, probably just gonna paint it. But yeah, I got a rebuild kit for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna take these seals out and then put in the new ones, because these are pretty old. But yeah, I'm also gonna powder coat my front caliper, because I'm gonna just soda blast both of it, and then we're gonna paint it. So I could take these off, or take my brother's off, and then put a fresh, you know, we're gonna rebuild this too, so we'll have it rebuilt for my brother. We just don't know what color to powder coat his. He has a yellow Evo. Oh, there's brake fluid. So he has a yellow Evo. I'm gonna powder coat mine, just cause the Wilwoods are black. What do you think would look good on a yellow Evo? Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, my Evo starts now, so if you guys want to hear a cold start, let me go ahead and turn it on for you guys. So yeah, here's a cold start of my Evo. Hopefully it starts first try. is back to working order yet. I'm making a custom harness. So instead of tapping this into the fuses down here, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but instead of tapping these into the fuses, I'm actually gonna make a harness. That way all three of them will go into one harness. I'm actually gonna use the ignition harness. I'll show you guys how to wire it up after. But yeah, I'm gonna just use the ignition harness. It's gonna wire it up to the actual gauges. So every time I turn the car on, it's gonna turn on and off with the car. So yeah, that was a cold start from the Tomei. I'm actually getting rid of the exhaust. I'm gonna sell it to my boy up in, I think he said, he lives near Fresno. I can't remember what city. His Instagram, I'll put his IG, EricEvo8. So yeah, I'm gonna go a different route. Hopefully, I'll know by this week, cause one of my homies said he got me an exhaust, or not got me, but he has an exhaust that I've been looking for forever. It's titanium still, so it's probably gonna sound a little the same as a Tomei. It might be a little quieter, I don't know yet, because on the Evo 9s it does sound different, but on the Evo 8, I don't know, hopefully it sounds a little quieter. I want a little bit quiet, but it's titanium, it's probably gonna be loud still. It just looks really nice in the back. And yeah, I know you guys are bugging me about this bumper. The reason why it's hanging, it's only hanging onto the zip ties, is because this piece right here actually broke off. So I can't connect this piece up. So I'm probably gonna have to get a quick release that bolts here. If I do end up doing that, I'll do an install video. If I don't, I'm probably just gonna drill some holes right here, or get like a plate over here, square it up, and then just hopefully it connects back. Yeah, I know it looks ugly. I'm trying to get it looking good again. Got some cosmetic parts coming in this weekend. No, I'm just gonna make the car look a little bit different as how it looked before. Hopefully it looks clean. And yeah, I don't know how much footage I have now, and I wish I could record more, but I don't want to, confuse you guys. So I'm probably gonna save all the rest of the content for later, but hopefully that I have enough now. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys liked the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm gonna go ahead and start editing the video. Peace.